Unlocking the potential of ChatGPT, the significance of well-crafted prompts. The true potential of ChatGPT lies in its ability to respond to prompts. Whether you need it to write a computer program or draft an email, prompts are the key to engaging with ChatGPT effectively. Without them, ChatGPT remains a static piece of technology with no real-world value. However, with the right prompts, ChatGPT comes to life and provides valuable insights and information. Crafting a good prompt is crucial to getting the best possible replies from ChatGPT. It is not just about the simplicity of the instructions. The quality of the prompt determines the quality of the response. Let's examine an example to illustrate this point. Suppose we want ChatGPT to translate an English sentence into Chinese. In the first prompt, we simply ask ChatGPT to translate the sentence, which seems sufficient. However, we then realize that by providing additional context about the speaker's origin, American, we can improve the translation. This is because American football is called football in the US, while the rest of the world calls it soccer. With this context, ChatGPT can offer a more accurate translation, demonstrating the importance of well-optimized prompts. To optimize prompts effectively, we can use the clear strategy. Context is important. Context plays a crucial role in guiding ChatGPT's responses. By providing relevant details about the problem or question, you enable ChatGPT to make better informed choices. For instance, in our translation example, specifying the speaker's origin improved the translation. Language and grammar. Ensure your prompt is written in clear and grammatically correct English. While ChatGPT can handle misspellings and errors, well-structured prompts lead to more accurate responses. Emphasize relevant details. Include as many relevant details as possible in your prompts. Sometimes, it's better to sacrifice brevity for clarity. Itemizing key instructions using bullet points or numbered lists can be helpful. Avoid ambiguity. Present your request clearly and specifically. Ambiguous prompts can lead to ambiguous responses, hindering the accuracy of ChatGPT's replies. Remember to be concise. While clarity is essential, keep your prompts concise and straightforward. Long and complex prompts may confuse ChatGPT and produce less accurate results. Now, let's create an optimized prompt to showcase ChatGPT's bidirectional replies. We want ChatGPT to respond normally to questions but pivot midway and provide sarcastic replies. The prompt should be clear, concise, and reinforce the theme of sarcasm while avoiding offense. Here's an example of the optimized prompt. Henceforth, react to every prompt I provide sarcastically. First, try to reply normally, using the same wording you'd typically do. However, midway through, appear to rethink your decision and start a sarcastic rant about something related to that topic. Use mean sarcasm, but avoid being offensive. By following the clear strategy and paying attention to context, conciseness, and clarity, you can interact more efficiently with ChatGPT and get more accurate and engaging responses. In conclusion, the power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to respond to well-crafted prompts. By optimizing your prompts using the clear strategy, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool and enhance your interactions with it.